Good morning, Foundation. We're going to have a look at your remote learning timetable this week, and I'm going to talk through with you about how to use it. So today is Monday. We're going to have a look at the Monday column. This column tells you exactly what you need to do today to access your learning. So on Monday it says get up at 8 a.m. So just like you would normally get up and get ready for school, make sure you have your breakfast so that you're ready to learn. And then if you go down the column, it's got a bit of a warm-up for you. So you click on the link and it will take you to your morning warm-up, just like we would warm our bodies up ready to learn in school. After that, it's time for literacy. It says choose a literacy activity from your learning pack and check the class blog for daily activities. So what you would do then is go to your literacy pack, which you should have collected on Monday. It looks like this. And you would go down to Monday and have a go at Monday's activities. You can do it by following the links here and then using your learning book to record your learning, ready to hand in on Friday for us to see. So once you've had a look at your literacy learning pack, which is this one, it also says you can visit the class blog. So if you follow this link here, it takes you directly to our Hucklow blog, where it will show you F2's home learning. So on the Monday section of your remote learning timetable, it will take you exactly to Monday's learning sessions. So here is your Monday maths session. Here's your Monday literacy session, just like we would do in school. Here's your phonics. And here's your continuous provision play ideas. They're all in one place for you. So make sure you click on this link to find Monday's activities. So after you've done your literacy, and you've had a look at our literacy learning by following this link, it's time for child initiated learning. This is where your child will choose their learning using our play ideas. So as we've said, learning through play is really important for your child at this age, because this is when they can apply their learning and show you what they really know. So once you've finished your literacy, have a go at letting your child choose one of the learning activities from the play ideas. Again, this link takes you directly to the play ideas page. And then we're going to follow Monday down. It says remember to pause for a snack or a break. I'm sure your child will let you know when they're feeling hungry or when they need to access some milk or some juice to get some energy. After that, we always do some reading before lunch in Foundation. It says share a book, and this is where you will show your child the skills of using their finger to point to each word and sound out the words using their robot arms, just like we've been practicing in phonics. So once you've finished reading your book, we usually have lunch in Foundation. And then after lunch, it's time for phonics. It says find today's phonics lesson here. So you click on the link and it will take you to Monday's phonics, which is learning the X sound. Once you've finished watching the video, You've got some activities on our blog to apply that learning. So using the X sound in lots of different ways. When we've finished our phonics in foundation, we go back to our continuous provision, where it's child initiated learning again. Again, we've linked the page where your child can choose how they want to learn and show you what they really know, what they've been learning about today. After that, it's time to wind down from their learning. So there's a link for some mindful activities for your child to end today's learning. I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, our link is always here, our email link. So if you need any help, please don't hesitate to send us a question, or we'll be around when you collect your learning pack. So if you've got any questions, please do ask. So that was Monday's learning. So after that, the next day you'll follow Tuesday's column and do the exact same. So follow the links to access the learning. Again, we've got some maths learning there. And then back into child initiated learning, choosing their learning from the play-based ideas. And then some snack and some lunch. Again, your phonics lesson is here, so use the link to follow it and find it. As you can see, it's maths on a Tuesday. So it says choose a maths activity from your learning pack. So instead of going to the literacy learning pack, you would go to your maths pack instead and have a go at Monday's maths learning. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Do email us if you've got any questions, and I hope you enjoy getting on with your learning activities this week.